Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kaya. In today's episode, we're going to prepare pumpkin chapatis or parathas. For that, we'll be needing wheat flour, blended pumpkin, some warm water, cooking oil, salt, and sugar. So now let's start. First, I'll add in my pumpkin. Add a pinch of sugar. And mix. And at this point, you are allowed to get your hands dirty. I'll add in some flour. On a clean surface, pour your flour. And knead. Make sure it does not stick on your hands. If it sticks, add in more flour. At this point, I'm going to add cooking oil. Then I will leave it to rest for 1 hour. So now our flour has rested. As you can see, it has doubled in size. So we're going to cut into pieces before making our chapati. First, I will roll into balls. On my surface, I will add in some flour. Then take one ball, roll a little bit, and apply some cooking oil. Remember, I'm trying to make a layered chapati. then form a ball. And set it aside. Take the second one and do the same. Do to all your chapatis until you finish. With this, your kids can help you form balls. So next, you're going to take a ball, add in some flour on the same surface that you're using, and roll into a circle. This meal is good because at the same time as you are making the circles, you're still doing exercise on your hands. As you can see, my chapati is now starting to get shape. Continue rolling until your desired length. So I will continue with the rest of the chapatis to make all in circle before frying them. Make sure your chapati is well dusted to avoid it sticking on a surface. We are now going to fry them on our pan. I'm placing my first chapati on my pan. So I'm going to let it cook on one side before turning so that we can add the oil. I'm now going to turn my chapati. As you can see, it has started getting some brown spots, meaning it is cooked on that side. So we have to wait to the other side. I'm going to add in some cooking oil. I'm going to turn and let it cook on the other side. It is now cooked. I'm going to remove it from the pan. Chapatis are now done. So I would like to show you what I meant with saying layers. So this is how it's supposed to be when you cut. Enjoy your chapati. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.